stop walking, at least for a minute. I know this sounds strange, but if you're over 60 and walking is the only type of exercise you do, you may be unintentionally accelerating strength loss, not preventing it. In Japan, where many people stay active into their 90s, there is a simple principle. Moving is not enough. You need to move the right way. The person walks every day, feels active, but when they try to stand up from a chair without using their hands, they can't. Or they almost fall in the bathroom. Or they avoid traveling for fear of losing balance. So why does this happen to people who are trying to stay active? The answer is clear. Just walking is a low-resistance movement. Great for the heart. Great for the mind. But after 60, the body gets used to it. In Japan, they say the muscles get sleepy. They need a smarter and more efficient stimulus. That's why the Japanese use 3 specific movements, extremely simple, that you can do at home in under 7 minutes a day, and watch until the end, because the last exercise is so effective for balance that longevity centers in Japan use it as the main training to reduce falls. Let's begin. Movement 1, wall push-up. If you're over 60, the strength in your arms can be the difference between avoiding a fall or not having time to react. In Japan, this is one of the most used exercises to maintain autonomy because it trains pushing, supporting, and protecting yourself in daily life. It's simple, safe, and doesn't require the floor or weights, just a firm wall. And because it's done standing, it reduces the risk of dizziness and joint overload. Stand facing a clear wall, 1 arm's distance away, with your feet firmly on the floor. Place your palms on the wall at chest or shoulder height, slightly wider than your shoulders. Now lower yourself slowly for 2 seconds, bending your elbows to about 45 degrees, without letting them flare out too much. Keep your body aligned like a board. Core lightly engaged, neck relaxed, and heels on the floor. Then push the wall and return in 1 second, without locking your elbows at the end of the movement. Start with 8 repetitions in a row. Rest 30 to 40 seconds and do 1 or 2 more sets. If it's too easy, increase to 10 to 12 reps. If it's too hard, do 5 to 6 and progress gradually. Train 3 times a week, and in 2 weeks you'll already notice more firmness when getting out of bed and carrying bags. And now that your arms are waking up again, the next movement will train what protects the Japanese the most after 70. Dynamic balance. Movement 2, sit to stand. If you want to know how your real strength is after 60, this is the test the Japanese use. Standing up from a chair without using your hands. It reveals immediately whether your legs, hips, and core still have enough power to maintain your autonomy. The best part is that you don't need equipment, just a firm chair and a few seconds of attention. And because it's a natural everyday movement, it strengthens exactly what you use to stand up, walk, and climb steps. Let's do it safely and in the way recommended by Japanese longevity centers. Position yourself in front of a stable chair, with your feet parallel and shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back slowly as if you're going to sit, keeping your chest open and your gaze forward. Lightly touch the seat without relaxing your body, and come back up by pushing the floor with your heels. Keep the movement continuous, down in 2 seconds, up in 1, always breathing calmly. If needed, keep a wall or support nearby for safety the first few times. Start with 5 repetitions, 3 times a week. When it becomes easy, increase to 8 to 10 repetitions or do 2 sets with 40 seconds rest. This exercise activates the strength pattern used to get out of bed, rise from the couch, and walk with stability. Japanese studies show it reduces fall risk by up to 50% and improves communication between the brain and the legs. And the next movement will complete this cycle, training coordination and balance the way the Japanese practice even into their 90s. Want to see? Let's continue. Movement 3, march with arm swing. If you ever felt insecure when turning a corner, climbing a step, or avoiding an obstacle, this is the exercise the Japanese use to train exactly those moments. It's a simple movement, but it's part of the Radio Taiso routines, practiced daily even by people over 90. It improves stability without requiring extreme strength, just gentle coordination and body control. And because it's done standing, it's safe, functional, and adapts to any level of mobility. Let's learn step by step so you can feel confident from the first time. Stand upright, shoulders relaxed, and gaze forward. Now lift your right knee slowly as high as you can without forcing, while swinging your left arm forward. Lower your foot with control. Switch sides and repeat. Left knee up, right arm swings. Maintain a comfortable rhythm, as if you were marching in place with elegance and precision. Do 30 seconds, rest for 20 to 30 seconds, and repeat 3 times. This exercise activates the core, lateral balance, hips, and brain-leg coordination, exactly what protects against stumbles and instability. The Japanese use this pattern to walk lightly even after 80. And that's it. 3 Japanese movements, simple and quick, that restore strength, balance, and confidence, even after 70 or 80. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You just need consistency. Now I want you to do one thing. Stand up and do just one sit to stand. Feel your muscles activating. Feel your body responding. This small gesture is the first step to reclaiming your autonomy. If this video helped you, comment below. I'm starting today. I read every message. They truly inspire me and help me create better content for you. And if you can leave a like, it helps YouTube deliver this video to more people over 60 who need this message. Also subscribe to the channel, because in the next video I'm going to reveal the #1 mistake that destroys seniors' balance and almost no one notices. Share this video with someone you love, a parent, a friend, or a neighbor. Sometimes a simple video completely changes someone's health path. In Japan, they say age doesn't define your strength, your habits do. And today, you chose the right habit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.